The ABS function returns the absolute value for all values in a numeric column. An absolute value transforms any negative value to a positive number, and positive values will remain the same. Let's begin by creating a beast mode called ABS. This function should be used when you want to see aggregation without considering positive and negative values. In this example, we will be looking at values in a budget. The expenses column has negative values, and for this card, we would like them to be positive. Let's see how this looks in our data. It is always a best practice to check the aggregation settings on any card you bring into a column. In this case, we will want to ensure the column is not aggregated. As you can see, this function has turned the negative values in the expense column into positive values. Thank you for watching. Follow Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.